Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. We got a 2003 Volkswagen Passat today, and the customer's complaint runs really bad and it's leaking antifreeze. So let's find out what's going on. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, let's check out and see how the car runs first. Woo, man. Serious misfire. Alright. Let's see what kind of codes we got here. So let me get all this hooked up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, let's read the codes and see what we got here. Okay, we have 6 codes. P0300, random cylinder misfire or multiple cylinder misfire. P0303, cylinder 3 misfire. P0304, cylinder 4 misfire. P0302, cylinder 2 misfire. And P0301, cylinder 1 misfire. And that's all cylinders this car got. So, let's go. Our last one is an O2 sensor. Now, the O2 sensor is the least of our concern right now. Now, let me give you guys a little bit of history on this. The car's been leaking antifreeze for about 4 months. The customer's been adding water. So we don't know if an overheating issue happened and something happened. I don't know. The customer never did a tune-up on it since he hadn't. It's been a good, at minimum, 4 or 5 years. So we could have an issue with all the spark plugs. We could have an issue with all the ignition coils, which I highly doubt it. But we need to figure out what's going on. So let's go out here up under the engine, up under the hood, and take a look at the coils. And let's pull the plugs and see how they look also. Hopefully we don't see no antifreeze or water on it. And also, after all that, then we're going to address the issue of where this antifreeze is coming from. Alright? We'll be right back. Alright guys, we're up under the hood. I just noticed this hose over here. And this hose is going to the air tube right here. Look at that. That is broken. And, look at all this stuff right there. Huh. If this is leaking, this can definitely cause a misfire. You know what? Let me look at this. And there's a clamp right here. Let's loosen this clamp up. Can you see that? Can you see that? No, that's what Hector be saying. Every once in a while, he be like, "You can see that? Can you see that?" Alright, so let's stop. Let's get this hose off here. Let's see what kind of. Oh yeah, right there. That's definitely leaking. That can definitely give us a random cylinder misfire. So that definitely has to be replaced. What we're gonna do, first of all, guys, we're gonna take off this cover right here. This cover's got 1, 2. I believe these just turn 90 degrees counterclockwise. They pop right up. This one over here comes up. So here we are. We got our coils. Now, these tabs right here, you can see this one is broken already. This tab and this tab, but that's okay. Oh, wow, these got Germany. I wonder if these are the original coils too. Huh. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, to get these connectors off, these are already off, so that's all we have to do, just unplug them. I'll take you a flat screwdriver, and that little tab right there, you just, well, that one's not broken too. These things, guys, these little plastic on these German cars, the plastic sucks. The plastic does always break. Let's go to this one. You're also supposed to back it up just a little bit and get it unplugged. And then we're going to take out all our coils. Now to take out your coils, just twist it a little bit. And these are numbered already, so we're good to go on this. And oh,
that'll cause a misfire.
Oh yeah, that will definitely cause our misfire. Let's check out the other three. That one's got it down there too. Let's check out number 2. Yeah, we're. All right, guys. DEFCON 3. We went right past DEFCON 2. All right, so now what we got here, we know we got a valve cover gasket leak. Not well, unless you can get them separately. These are the spark plug tube seals. They stop oil from coming from inside the valve cover going down to the spark plugs. Right now, they are messed up. Now, it doesn't say that that's going to fix our issue. We can still have a problem with one of the ignition coils. These coils could have already burnt out. We won't know that. We do know we got to fix that first. But let's continue on. I need to take a look at these plugs. I just don't want to nickel and dime the customer, keep calling the back saying, yeah, I took the spark plugs out and they need that. So now what we need to do, let's go to this one because this one don't seem like it has too much oil. Ugh, man. We're going to pull this spark plug out and see how that spark plug look. All right? We'll be right back. All right, guys. What do Hector say when he comes back? See, I say, all right, guy. I got to find out what Hector says. Anyway. Okay, I got a 16mm deep socket with a 12-inch 3/8 drive extension. And we're going to go down here. And take out this plug. Now, if you don't have a spark plug socket that's magnetic or has the rubber boot inside of it, like I don't, I hate those things because they always get stuck down in there. Get you a magnet. So get us a magnet. Pull this spark plug up. The spark plug ain't too bad. It's a Denso. It ain't that bad at all. What I'm looking for though is seeing if I see any kind of antifreeze deposits or anything to let me know did the car overheat and blow a head gasket. So this one don't look that bad. But you know what we're gonna do to be on the safe side? We're gonna.
That does look a little worn down though. No?
Yeah, it's a little worn down. Yeah. Let's get these out of here. And, dang man, there's a lot of oil down there. Man. Let's pull the other 3 out. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, I took them out, lined them up from the cylinder they came out of. I'm going to wipe this off. This is the oil just that was up there. I hope. This one looks really dark for it to be. Yeah, like see, I wiped this one off. And you can still see it's kind of like light brown right there. You can see that?
Yeah. What's so funny?
That's what's actually.
You say that sometimes too, so it confuses me.
Okay, that one's got light brown on it when I wipe the oil off. But this one, I wiped that off. That's still dark.
Yeah, that's good.
So that's number 3. But the good thing about it is I don't see any kind of antifreeze.
How could you?
Well, you'll see like the deposits on it when it dries up. It'll be. I'm gonna spray those a little bit too. See how to. All right, let's go back up here. So far, we're looking at the hose. We're going spark plugs, spark plug tube seals, which is also we're going to include in valve cover gasket, possible coils. We don't know yet, but definitely a possible coils. Also, Sylvia pointed out over on this side of the engine, there is a lot of oil. Let's see if I can get in there. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I got the light down there. If you can see down there by the oil filter, right up against the block, there's a lot of oil there. And if it wasn't on the block, I'd say it's the oil filter just loose or whatever. But that is definitely, in European cars are known for it. That's the oil filter housing gasket. So we know that's going to be leaking and has to be changed as well. And what the heck is this? The oil dipstick tube is not where it's supposed to be.
Could it be leaking from there?
It's in there, but it's not. Okay, overfull, but we got oil in it. Alright guys, what I got over here next is some carburetor cleaner, brake cleaner. I just want to clean up the tip of these spark plugs. Well, that one I don't have to. We know that one. Yeah. Clean that one up. Now see, that's what I mean. I can clean these up and those still tan, brown like it was burning, normal and all that. And this one right here, now that one, wait a minute. No, it's good. It's good.
I don't know why I can't get a real good focus on that tip.
Maybe if I pick it up and get it from the ground. And...
No, I got it. Right there.
Okay, you saw the second one then?
Let me see.
This one, this is the dirt, this is the oily one. That...
Oh. Yep.
Alright, that's cylinder
like
number,
black.
yeah, that's cylinder number 3. So, on that cylinder, we might have a bad coil on cylinder number 3 right now because that's black. That means a lot of gas, unburnt gas been going down there. So definitely on that one. Now, let's move on to the next thing. What we're going to do now, guys, is put the plugs back in there. And now, what we're going to do here on the expansion tank over... What the heck? Guys, this is what happens when you just use water in your car. Now, check this out. If the customer's been for the last 4 months been using water, it wasn't too
winter time.
Yeah, it wasn't too long ago that it actually was freezing out here for at least a week. So we might be having an issue here. So we might have a blown head gasket. But this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna get some water. Hey, might as well. Get some water, and we're going to do a pressure test on the system to see where it's leaking from. And you know what? I'm going to leave the spark plugs out just in case we see antifreeze fill up going inside the cylinders. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, got our pressure tester, cooling system pressure tester set. Cool. All the adapters to hook it up to, and we got the ultimate water hose from the customer. Yeah, but oh no, heck, they don't say that. So we got. So okay, the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is what I'm gonna do here is get their cap, go over here, and hopefully we have a cap that matches up to it. Looks like this one. That's the only one.
What happens if you don't?
Then you can't do a pressure test. Yeah. All right. Now let's take our water hose.
You figure the adapters would be able to.
And actually, when we start putting water in this, it might start leaking.
Oh, whoa! Too much.
All right, guys, I'm gonna fill this up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, I just filled it up. It's not pouring out nowhere, so. Yeah, so far that's a good sign. Let's take our adapter. Make sure it's tight. Then we're going to take our tool. You take that little end right there, you pull it back. What the heck, man? Okay, and just like an air chuck. Pull it back, put it on, let it go. And just like a bicycle pump, we're going to pump pressure into the system. We're going to bring it up all the way until it gets right about there. And you just, and that's dropping. Get back up.
I hear some spraying.
Why does I hear it coming from inside? Oh. Where did it come from? Inside the car? The heater core? Holy cow, let me... What the heck, man? I know I
It
heard
stopped though.
I know I heard it from coming from inside the car. Damn, that went way down there. Let's do this again.
Sounds like it's coming from behind there. There it is. There it is.
Oh, let me...
What is that?
That's going into the heater core.
Wow. Wow.
Guys, I don't know if this part is part of the heater core. It sure looks like it. You know, I'll tell you what we're going to do is we're going to get a picture of a heater core and see if this section is part of the heater core. If so, it's leaking from the heater core. Oh, that's a rubber boot right there. What the heck? I wonder, can you, if we take this out, you know what, let's go. We're going to go get a picture of a heater core. We'll be right back, guys.
Alright, so here's a picture of the heater core. So it's got those two pipes coming out. So we know now he needs a heater core. We'll be right back.
Alright, guys, as Sylvia showed you, that is part of the heater core. So we definitely need a heater core. Now, being that it's just about spring into summer, I'm going to give the customer an option that we can actually just take these hoses off, put a bridge between them, which would eliminate the heater core. You don't need no heat anyway. But definitely he's going to have to get that heater core done before winter sets in. So I don't know about doing these. I don't know. We got to look up the label and see if I got to remove the dashboard and all that. Most of the heater cores suck. So that's where we're going to end this one at. And let's see what happens in part.
Is that the way the air filter is supposed to be?
No, that's a cabin air filter.
But it's supposed to be like that?
Hey, what you asking me for, Sophie?
Okay. I just found it a little odd.
That beats me. So, all right. We'll be right back.
Alright, so today we had a 2003 Volkswagen Passat, and we showed you how to check an antifreeze leak. And, well, in this case it was running bad and it turned out to be a misfire, so we showed you how to check that. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. We can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.